Good morning, you guys. Happy New Year. Before we get into this vlog, I just want to say thank you so much to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. We are vlogging today and I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever, so I'm not quite sure what we're doing today. I'm gonna drink my coffee, wake up a little bit, and then get ready for the day, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
We're gonna go get some lunch. It's gonna be so fun. Whoa, that bird. It's got a death wish. It's racing us.
Hey y'all, Happy New Year. It is the 1st. Excuse me. Every time I film, Matt either has to talk, pick up the phone, call someone, do something to interrupt me.
Picking up the phone, call someone, it's all the same.
Anyways, it's the 1st. Happy New Year. We are going to get some lunch right now. We're going to
check out my Instagram.
Ew.
At Matt Ponick.
I literally can't.
1T.
1T.
Link me in the bio.
Anyways, we're going to get lunch. We're going to this place called the Backyard Grill. Matt says they're open. Let's hope that they actually are. We've got Indy in the back. We had a few of our friends over for New Year's Eve last night. We made dinner. We got a barbecue for Christmas, so we barbecued some steaks and I made some potatoes and asparagus, and it was super fun. Very small and intimate. I would prefer to have it bigger with all of our family, but they all are sick right now. So we made the best of it and it was actually really fun. I wanted to vlog yesterday, but the day got ahead of me. So we're vlogging today. I don't know how long this is gonna be, if it's just gonna be like a day in the life or if it's gonna carry into tomorrow as well, but we'll see. It's been so freaking cold here. It's rained for like 7 days straight and then it's just stayed cold. It's super, super frigid out there. Like, I feel like I live in Seattle or something. That's how cold and depressing it is. Anyways, see you guys when we get there. Goodbye. This is my cute new car, by the way. I don't think I've shown you guys. I've shown it on Instagram, but I just got a brand new CRV.
Just sneezed on me.
Indy, we can't do that in this day and age. She can't see. But yeah, super cute. Perfect for our family. Indy, are you a little boy?
Yeah.
What? Okay, this is the spicy chicken sandwich. It's so good. It's like a crispy, spicy buffalo sandwich, and then it has jalapeno and coleslaw.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Fuck yeah.
Fries.
This is how you do it.
Yeah. Indy got a hot dog. And for dessert, we got some donuts. This jam is so yummy. You like it?
Yeah.
We took down our Christmas tree yesterday, so I feel like our house is super naked now. You can't even see because the lighting sucks. Indy is taking a nap right now. I'm gonna try and find a good movie that Matt and I can watch and just chill, hang out, and be lazy for a little bit. I have a bunch of laundry to do and laundry that's going right now, but it's in the garage and it's super cold out there. So I feel like I'm putting that off to the very last second because I don't feel like doing it. All of my plants are thriving still. I'm so proud of myself. This one I had to bring inside. This is a spider plant. I had it outside and I think it was getting overwatered by the rain and it was too cold out there and it was starting to die. So I took it in here and took all the dead leaves off and hoping to bring it back to life. I'm letting it dry out. This one's going strong and then my other one up here is still doing pretty good. This one's, I think, was getting overwatered for a bit, so I've been letting this one dry out too. But I got this app called Flora where you can put all of your plants in there, like by name, and it'll tell you specifically when to water your plants. So that's been helping me keep all these babies alive and I'm so proud of myself. Hey guys, I just got to Ralph's. I feel like I live here. I'm not kidding. I'm here all the time, at least like every day, to get stuff for dinner, but it's so nice because it's right down the hill from where we live, so it's so convenient to just pop over here and get stuff that I need. I'm gonna make some chicken chili for dinner tonight. I'll vlog it and show you guys how I make it. I got the recipe from Brock Your Body. You guys know, if you've been watching me, that I get a lot of my recipes from her. She has just like the quickest, easiest, healthiest recipes. So I'll link her information in the description box below so you guys can reference it. I'll link the recipe. Somebody's pulling up next to me and it's so awkward. But I also wanted to hop on here and thank you guys so much for all of your support and love on my last video working with Nordstrom. It was such a big deal for me and I was so stoked to film that video and put it out, so I'm so glad that you guys loved it. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder about the style services that Nordstrom offers. If you guys haven't seen my video and you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link that video in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and watch it. I talk all about a styling service that Nordstrom offers. They do it in store as well as on the app or online. You can browse a bunch of different looks that stylists curate and put together. Find a stylist that matches like your vibe, and then you can message them and chat with them and they can help you with anything that you need. If it's picking out a gift for somebody who's super difficult to shop for, if it's shopping for a special occasion, like a wedding, a party, holiday, family pictures, anything like that that you need an outfit put together and you just don't have time to do it yourself. For me, being a mom, being super consumed with Indy and doing our day-to-day routine, it's really hard for me to sit down, go online shopping, find things that work for me, and then also trust and know that it's gonna work for my body type and work out. All of that can be super stressful when you need an outfit for something specific, or if you need to find a gift for somebody and like you just don't have time to go into the store. I found this service to be so freaking helpful, so easy. It was such a seamless process from start to finish, and my stylist completely nailed it with exactly what I was looking for. I really wanted to wear the dress that I showed in my video for New Year's. I wanted to host a party and like have people over, which we still hosted, but it was like 2 of our closest friends and it was very small and intimate. So we ended up keeping it very casual, but I am keeping that dress for another occasion because I know something is gonna come up. So if you're like me and you just simply don't have time, I highly recommend the styling services that Nordstrom offers. So I will leave all of the information in the description box down below for you guys if you want to access that. I'm gonna go get all of my ingredients that I need for dinner and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I'm back from the store. I got kale, lemon and limes, diced green chilies, avocado, onion, chicken broth, mint chip, cream cheese, corn, tomatoes and green chili, 2 cans of those, and then I have everything else.
Are you gonna go down? Let's see. Climb up there, Indy.
Let's
Get
see.
on up there.
Show me how you slide down. Wow.
Good job.
Wow, Asa, you look different. It's a good difference. And it's crazy.
Pull the string. Oh no. That's a mess. And only half of it came out.
You got the broom? Oh wow.
Oh. See this broom? Like this? Watch. You wanna try? Yeah, good job.
Okay, you guys, I'm just adding a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna add my chicken, season with salt and pepper, and cook that in here. Okay, so you just cook it for 5 minutes on each side. Take it out and set it aside on the plate. I'm going to drain the corn and the black beans and rinse them. And then you also have to soften the cream cheese so it doesn't curdle when you put it in. So it's 4 ounces. So you take 4 ounces of this, put it in a Ziploc baggie, and you submerge it in hot water to soften it first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I cut my onion over here. Okay, so I'm just adding everything in right now. I sauteed the onion, added in the corn, the black beans. I'm gonna add in the chilies, tomatoes, all the seasoning. Matt's shredding my chicken for me right now, and then I'm gonna add that in too. Here it is.
Throw it. You ready? Woo! Night. Alright. Come here, you little nugget. Chris, who's that? Christoph.